In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default chart fonts, colors, and effects in PowerPoint. We'll start by inserting a sample chart that we can use to build our defaults. Go to the Insert tab, choose Chart, and pick a type you use often, like a column or pie. PowerPoint will drop a chart onto your slide so you can see the changes as you make them. You don't need to worry about the data right now. The focus is on appearance. Next, let's customize the chart so it matches your preferred style. Click on the chart title, axis labels, and legend to select each element, and set the font, size, and weight you want. You can use the font controls on the Home tab, just like regular text. If you're unsure what's selected, click once to select the whole chart and again to target a specific part. Keep readability in mind. Choose fonts and sizes that will look good on both large screens and printed handouts. Now let's set the color scheme. With the chart selected, go to Chart Design and click Change Colors. Pick a palette that aligns with your brand or presentation theme. This keeps your charts consistent and makes them easier to read. If you use dark backgrounds, choose higher contrast palettes so bars, lines, and labels stand out. For finishing touches, add effects for a polished look. Right-click the chart area and choose Format Chart Area, then go to Effects. Here you can apply subtle shadows, 3D effects, or a soft glow. Less is more. Use just enough to add depth without distracting from the data. A slight shadow or a minimal bevel can make elements pop while keeping your chart professional. Once your chart looks the way you want, set it as the default so you don't have to repeat this work. Right-click the chart area, not just the plot area, and select Set as Default Chart. From now on, every new chart you insert in this presentation will automatically use these fonts, colors, and effects. If you want these defaults available in future decks, save this file as a template. Go to File, choose Save As, and select PowerPoint Template with the PowerText extension. Any new presentation you create from this template will inherit your chart defaults, ensuring consistent visuals across all your work. Finally, test it. Insert a new chart in this presentation, and you should see your chosen fonts, colors, and effects applied instantly. If something isn't quite right, tweak the original chart and set it as the default again. That's it. Your charts are now fast, consistent, and on brand.